So I bought this as backup just in case. Hood's open. Hopefully they didn't steal a battery. Oh no, beautiful. The hood's tied down with a strap. Beautiful. On this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up a 2003 Ford F150 in Toms River, New Jersey.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, let's go get the keys. Hey, good morning.
What's going on?
How you doing?
ACV?
Yes, sir. Okay.
First time here or no?
I've been here before, but I think it's back there, right?
Yeah, if you want to check back there, if not, we have an overflow lot across the street.
Oh, shoot.
But if you want to check back here first, then I can show you where that lot is.
Okay, I could drive back there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I don't know if you want to leave. You have a trailer on the back?
Yeah.
I would leave it in the street. Might be hard to get out
Okay.
if you pull straight in.
Yeah. Okay, got you.
All right.
Thank you. Box just in case. Don't see it. Okay. Got me on a damn wild goose chase to try to find this truck. This other F-150. come to pick up cars, and they're not where they're supposed to be. Actually, that's it right down there. What a pain in the ass. What a pain in the ass. They said tow cars, it'll be fun. Alright, let's see if I get lucky and it starts. So I bought this as backup just in case. Hood's open. Hopefully they didn't steal a battery. Oh no, beautiful. The hood's tied down with a strap. Beautiful. That's a good sign. The lights on. The interior lights on. That means the battery's got juice in it. It's nasty in here. Ugh. Smells like a cigarette. Smells like cigarettes. When it starts up, that's always a good thing. Yeah. Ugh. Nasty. So this one's going back to my house because I have no more room at the Hoopty headquarters. So normally I check it, but I'm going to let Tony play with it and check it. He enjoys looking for change because he collects pennies. And a bunch of crap in the back. I'm going to have him clean that out. And sometimes he finds gold, all kind of stuff. It's not that bad. It's rusty, but got nice tires on it. On the lot, this will probably do $2 grand, maybe $2,500. It's probably where it's headed. Once we make some room, sell some stuff. But for now, it is what it is. Good old 5.4, just like the OG tow truck. They just go and go and go and go and run 300, 400, 500,000 miles. This one has 264. The OG has 307 or 308 now. Put about 7,000 miles in the past 2 months, I guess. Maybe more than that. Gets the job done. All right. Locked and loaded. Headed back to my house. We'll take it for a drive. See how it runs. Put a price on it. As soon as the title comes in, it's going to be up for sale. Alright, let's take this bad boy for a ride. See how it runs. actually brakes go down. I think it needs some brake fluid. Yeah, brakes are a little bit low. Could need a set of brake pads, or it could be the master cylinder, or it could have a broken brake line. Find out when we open the hood. It stops though. Tranny shift's good. Brakes have a lot of travel. I think it needs a set of brake pads. Yeah, I think the brakes are low. Looks like the AC's working. If the brake pads are real low, the pistons are popping out. The brake caliper pistons are popping out, so it's going to have a lot of travel. I think that's the problem. Not too bad though. Ugh, I'm not even touching it. Don't feel too bad. I think we can get $2 grand for this Hoopty just the way it is without doing anything, which I wasn't going to do anything anyway. Some spark plugs or a coil pack. Not too bad though. Suspension feels good. Not bad. Looks like it's open. I need a coffee. The damn drive-thru is closed. Hello, how are you? Can I have a medium hot coffee, extra cream, 3 sweet and low, 2 chocolate frosted donuts, and that'll be it.
$5.70.
Yep.
Whenever you're ready.
Yep. No, thank you.
It'll be ready for
Okay. Yep, thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much. You have a good one. Not a bad truck. Somebody gets it to put a set of brake pads, a set of spark plugs, maybe a coil. And these are really good trucks. I think this only has like 200,000 miles, which is nothing for this thing with the 5.4. The OG F150 tow truck has 310, still running strong. So I actually bought this to replace that, but change of plans. My truck is so reliable. I love that truck. $350 OG F150. Towed over 75 cars so far with that. And it's been good. Drinks a couple quarts of oil here and there, but oil's cheap. Yeah, this has some travel on the brakes. It needs some brake pads. Alright, there you go, guys. 2004, I think, or 2002 F-150. Runs pretty good. Needs some brakes. It's going to be $19.99. We'll load it up right now, drop it off to Hoopty headquarters, and it'll be sold in a couple weeks. If not the next day, we'll see. Peace. Check out my other videos.